You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word, this one, a bit of confusing pronunciations, because there are indeed two different pronunciations. The British English pronunciation is as traduce, traduce. The American English pronunciation, however, as is said in the US, is as traduce. Okay, so it's a bit like new and new, or news and news. Traduce in British English, traduce in American English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.